In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a digital journal in Notion. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have a simple, ready-to-use journal set up using a template from the Notion marketplace, so you can focus on writing instead of designing from scratch. First, open Notion on your computer. This works best in a desktop browser or the desktop app because the layout is easier to navigate. Once Notion is open, look toward the sidebar on the left. There, you'll find the option to explore templates and integrations. What you want to do is click on Marketplace. This is Notion's built-in library of templates and tools created by Notion and the community. Using the Marketplace saves you a lot of time because many common setups, like journals, planners, and trackers, are already designed for you. After you click Marketplace, a new window or tab will open, showing a search bar at the top and a variety of featured templates below it. In the search bar, type in the phrase "digital journal." Make sure you spell it correctly so you see the most relevant results. Give it a second to load and you'll notice several different digital journal templates appear. Some may be minimal, others more colorful or structured with prompts and tags. Now, browse through the options and select the digital journal template that best matches how you like to work. You can usually click on a template card to open a preview. In that preview, scroll to see the layout. Check if it has daily entries, mood tracking, reflection questions, or calendars. Think about what you'll realistically use every day. If you're just starting out, choosing a clean and simple layout often makes it easier to build a consistent habit. Once you've found the digital journal template you want to use, look for the button that allows you to add it to your workspace. This will usually say Add or something similar. Go ahead and click on Add. Notion will then copy that template into your own workspace, either as a new page or inside a section you choose. This process might take a moment, but after it finishes, you'll have your own editable version of that journal. From here, you can start personalizing the journal, change the title, adjust properties like tags or dates, or delete sections you don't need. The important part is that by using the marketplace and adding an existing digital journal template, you've built a functional journaling space in just a few clicks, and you're ready to start capturing your thoughts right away.